Hello, Restars. You're welcome to the channel where I share tips and tricks on how to grow as a content creator and as an entrepreneur. So, if you recently joined the YPP, which is YouTube Partnership Program, that is to say, if your account is monetized, if you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and you've applied for monetization, then this video is for you because I'll be walking you through the whole process of getting your YouTube AdSense, which seems so difficult for some creators. For me, it took a long time. Some creators, it took them just 3 weeks, 2 weeks. It all depends. So if you fall in the category where you are struggling to get it or you just want to learn how to get it, then you should make sure you watch this video to the end. Hi, I'm Rachel. You're welcome to the channel. So first of all, what is YouTube AdSense PIN? YouTube AdSense PIN is a personal identification PIN that is being sent by YouTube from Ireland down to your location, wherever you are, to verify your address. So this is necessary for you to receive payment from your AdSense account. Remember, even before getting your AdSense PIN, you can still be receiving payments. Like YouTube will be paying you, you see the amount in your AdSense account. The fact that you've not received your AdSense account doesn't mean that you won't get paid. You get paid, but the thing there is that you can't receive it into your country account. Let's say me, I'm a Nigerian, I can't receive it in my dollar account until you receive the PIN and you verify your account. So we are going to dive into the step by step. Remember, I told you it's a step by step guide. So the first thing that you need to do is to reach the $100 threshold in your AdSense account. Your AdSense account, once you're monetized, you start receiving money. Immediately, you won't see payment verification. Why? Because you need to have $10 in your AdSense account. Once you get that, you receive a mail and also a notification on the AdSense dashboard that you need to verify. So what you need to do next is to check your address. Make sure you input the right address. Then the next thing to do is to make inquiry about your post office. I mean the post office in your location, because that is where the AdSense PIN will be sent to. The post office in your location. This was how I did mine. When it was time for me to receive my AdSense, I have to do research, just like the way you did research and you found my video. I have to go to the post office nearest to me.
So I came to make inquiry for postal code and I've gotten the mail. I'm going back, hoping that when they send, I'll receive it faster. For now, we're going home.
Because if you use Google search to search for postal code, you might receive a different postal code. Like I tried that, I got a different postal code. But if you want to get the exact postal code of the post office close to you, make sure you go to the post office and ask them for the postal code. So that was exactly what I did. I went to the post office close to me and I requested for their postal code. And I also informed them that I'm expecting Google AdSense PIN. So when I got that postal code, I have to save it. I came back and have to edit my address and input the right postal code. Remember, if you use a wrong address, you're going to have delays in getting your AdSense PIN. So make sure you use the right address and also go to the post office and get the right postal code. So after doing that, you have to wait for 2 to 3 weeks. It will come. It all depends on your location. If you're living in a remote area, it could actually take a longer time. So I did, and after the first four weeks, I didn't receive my AdSense PIN. So if you've applied the first time, you still have like 2 chances to apply before contacting support. So I have to reapply. I was always calling. That is one thing that you need to do. Always make sure you call the post office, call and confirm if it has come. So this is what it looks like. If you request the first time and you don't receive it, after 4 weeks, you apply again. That's like after a month, you request for the second one. If you wait again 4 weeks later and you don't receive it, you apply for the third time. I think I actually applied for 3 times. I was tired, I was fed up. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. There are some YouTubers that applied and got theirs in the first week, in the first month, some second month, some third month. I applied for the third one, and the first week, like I applied it, the next week I received a call. I was in constant conversation with the poster. I don't know what they are called. Post officer. Post officer. I don't know the right word, but I was always calling the post office to ask if my AdSense pin have arrived. I was always calling. For 2 months, I was constantly asking, right? Not like I call them every day. I give them time and I call. So the third month, which is first week of the third month, I got a call from the post office that my AdSense has arrived. I was asked my location and it was delivered to me. I got to, because I already applied 2 times. I got 2 AdSense pin. I have to make use of one. So this is it. If you try the third time and you still don't get it, then you have to contact customer support. What happens then is that it can be sent to you through email. Though I didn't get to that stage, but it can be sent to you through email address. That is if you try first, second, third and it didn't work for you. Okay, once you receive the pin, this is what you need to do. You open it. So what we are waiting for, or what we've been waiting for, is this 6-digit pin here. Is this 6-digit pin here. So what you need to do is to go to log in your AdSense account, go to payment and click on verify. Then input this 6-digit pin and submit. With that, it will be accepted. And the next month you receive your payment, or if it's at the beginning of the month, YouTube pays on the 21st to 25th of every month, so you can receive your payment. That is if you've gotten up to $100 in your AdSense account. If you've not gotten up to $100 in your AdSense account, you don't need to panic. The money is still yours, just that it won't drop in your dollar account. What you will need to do, you have to keep creating. The next month it will add up and you get paid the next month. If at the end of the next month you still don't get up to $100, you just keep doing that until you get up to $100. I know some persons that before their AdSense pin even arrive, they already have over $500 in their AdSense account. It's even help you save more. Okay, so this is just how to go about your AdSense account. Okay, so my final tips is that you should be consistent after you are monetized. This was a mistake I made. Like this was a mistake I made, and I won't even advise my enemy to make the same mistake. Once you're monetized, start posting more than you were posting before. What I did after monetization, I was just relaxed. So it took me some months before I could get $100. But if you're able to be consistent after monetization, or after you've gotten your AdSense pin, you will earn more. So your first pay is going to be huge. Be consistent even when you're not seeing the money coming. Keep posting. Secondly, you have to always update your AdSense account with your current address, right? So there will be no error or any issue at all. Number 3, if there is a delay, always check the post office. Okay, so I'll have to stop here. If you have any questions about YouTube monetization, you can drop a comment and I'll address it. If you have a video you want me to do for you, just go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know the video that you want, and if you want more of YouTube tips and tricks, then you should subscribe to this channel. Until I come your way again, I'm Rachel. Make sure you check out other of my videos. There are tons of videos on they're on even. There are tons of videos. there, there are tons of videos for you to check. All right. Now low battery now. I be no be low battery.